Hello students, welcome to LearnGuru Classes. So last class we have discussed about the basic concepts of factor theorem. So today we are going to solve some numericals on factor theorem. So let's start the class. So what factor theorem is basically about? Factor theorem, suppose a polynomial px is given to you. Now the order of the polynomial px may be anything greater than 1. Okay, and you are given with another polynomial, that is gx, that is of the form of x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. And so if x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x equal to 2. Now if you put p2, okay, and if you get the final answer as 0, final value as 0, then you can say that gx is a factor of px. Factor of px means what? Remainder has come out to be 0, and from that we can say that gx is the factor of px, or gx is divisible by px. Px is divisible by gx. Okay, so this is the basic concept of factor theorem. So let's look into the first sum. So what is given over here? If px equal to 8x cube minus 6x squared minus 4x plus 3 and gx equal to x minus 3 by x by 3 minus 1 by 4, then check whether gx is a factor of px or not. So what you need to do? Px is given as 8x cube minus 6x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay, and gx is given as x by 3 minus 1 by 4. So that if you equate it to 0, so what will you get? X by 3 minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. So x by 3 equal to 1 by 4. So you will get x equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So now px, you will replace px with p within bracket 3 by 4. So let's check p3 by 4. Now in place of all the variables x, you will put 3 by 4, and let's check whether the final value comes out to be 0 or not. So what we do? 8 into 3 by 4 whole cube minus 6 into 3 by 4 square minus 4 into 3 by 4 plus 3. So this you will get it as 8 into 27, 4 3 is 16, 16 64, 64 minus 6 into 9 by 16 minus 4 into 3 by 4 plus 3. Okay, so this will be what? This will be, this 4 gets cancelled, and this will be 8. So 27 by 8, and this will be 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16. So minus 27 by 8. So you are getting the final answer to be 0. So from that you will say that since p3 by 4 is equal to 0, so gx is a factor of px. So since p3 by 4 equal to 0, so therefore gx is a factor of px. Okay, so let's look into the second sum. The next sum is, use factor theorem to show that x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 3 is exactly divisible by x plus 3. So what is px given over here? Px is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 3, and gx is equal to x plus 3. So if gx is equal to 0, so you write it as x plus 3 equal to 0. So that is x equal to minus 3. So what you are to show that this px is divisible by x plus 3, that is gx. So when a polynomial or when any number becomes divisible by any number, when it is a factor of that particular number, and when it becomes a factor of that particular number when the remainder is 0. So your target is you are to show that whether p to minus 3 comes out to be 0 or not. So if p minus 3 comes out to be 0, you will say that px is exactly divisible by gx. Okay. So this is x minus 3. So p minus 3 equal to minus 3 to the power of 4 plus 2 into minus 3 cube minus 2 into minus 3 square plus 2 into minus 3 and minus 3. So this becomes as minus 3 to the power of 4 becomes as 81 plus 2 into minus 3 to the power of 3 is minus 27, and this comes out to be minus 2 into 9, and this becomes as minus 6 minus 3. So this is 81 minus 54 minus 18 minus 9. So how much? Just check it. 18 minus 9 is 18 plus 9 is 27. So minus 54 minus 27 comes out to be minus 81. So 81 minus 81 equal to 0. So since p minus 3 is equal to 0, so therefore px is divisible by x plus 3. Okay, so I hope the sum is clear to you. Okay, please look into the calculations. I have not explained you the calculations. These are just simple simplifications which you are to use. Okay, and just use the concept of factor theorem, you will get the answer. So let's move on to the third sum. The third sum is if x minus a is a factor of x cube minus ax square plus twice x plus a minus 1, find the value of a. So it's already given that it is said that x minus a is a factor of this polynomial. So you have to find out the unknown value, that is the value of the coefficient a. Okay, so what you are to do, px is equal to, you will write x cube minus ax square plus twice x plus a minus 1, and gx equal to x minus a. So x equal to a, right? X equal to a. So pa will be what? Just replace the value of x with a. So this will be a cube minus a into a square plus 2a and plus a minus 1. So PA, since it is given that PA is equal to 0, because why? X minus a is a factor of Px. Okay, so for that we will write this as 0. Okay, so this will become a cube minus a into a square, a cube plus twice a plus a minus 1 equal to 0. A cube gets cancelled. So thrice a minus 1 equal to 0. So that is a equal to 1 by 3 is the final answer. Okay, so we will be solving more sums related to factor theorem in the next class. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to LearnGuru Classes, like, comment and share it with your friends and relatives. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.